This project is definitely one of the largest in the Southern Hemisphere, definitely for the largest customer in the Southern Hemisphere, and NEC being probably one of the best LED screen suppliers in the world. Eyecom were contacted by NEC. NEC in return had received an inquiry from Eyecom. They were looking for a large format display for their client, Media24.
Eyecom's been a supplier and has looked after the Naspers group for the last 17 plus years with regards to audio-visual and communication products. Out of the blue came a request to go out there and find a media wall, a high-definition media wall that they could use as part of the upgrade of the Naspers building on the foreshore.
We've started this project approximately 2 years ago. It took a while for council to approve the LED media wall. Eventually we got approvals and we placed an order with Electrosonic, who's the supplier.
Electrosonic's been in the AV industry for close to 25 years now. We specialize in the distribution of audio-visual equipment, and one of our products is the NEC outdoor LED display that's behind me.
Michael told me what was necessary and what was requested by the client, and we consulted our drawing board a few times and came back with a few options.
They made a decision quite quickly that they were going to go the NEC route because not only was it one of the better quality with the better warranty, but more importantly, it was the fact that from a power consumption point of view, it was far the greenest that was available.
We decided to manufacture the structure in-house, and over a process of only 4 or 5 weeks, we converted the raw materials into a finished structure, fully galvanized and populated and cabled, ready to be dispatched to site.
There's a lot of screens on that wall. I think 896 screens that have to be put together in a mosaic that makes up one big screen, and that was a challenge.
There's over 1.5 million LEDs. The entire screen dimension is 16 meters by 14 meters, that's 226 square meters. The weight of the entire screen and structure is 26 tons. There is probably a kilometre of cabling. We have a fibre system running from the 9th floor where the media player is located. The fibre system then transfers data to the distributors, which are located within the building behind the screen on each floor level, and the screen spans from the 4th floor to the roof line of the 8th floor.
It's amazing. 1.5 million of these. That's so sexy.
In a very short period of time we've converted cardboard boxes into
20 panels.
now we just got the last big push, and God willing the wind will be kind and everything will be perfect.
It's going to be absolutely fun.
Once we'd manufactured the screens and the structure, we then had to look at the logistics of moving them from our factory to Media 24's building in Cape Town. This meant that we had to design and manufacture again specific transport trolleys. The trolleys were utilised to bring in 4 sections of screen at a time. They arrived on site, they were then lifted from the delivery vehicle, and the sections were then prepared to be lifted onto the building. LEDs, there are many manufacturers. The best in the world recognised is Nichia, which is the product that NEC use for this display behind us. They still need to be calibrated once they're installed on site. The calibration involves taking pictures of the screen displaying red, green, blue and white. We were fortunate enough that we had a great team of riggers who, without them, really we would have struggled way more than we did. Working at 40 metres high, trying to manhandle 1.5 tonnes on the end of a crane, and the head of the crane is 50 millimetres away from the building. And as you can imagine, we drew quite a bit of attention during this installation, so any mistakes would have been well recorded.
We've had a great team from start to finish. The riggers, the crane operators, the City of Cape Town, the security, we're all a wonderful team to work together with, and I just hope we get an opportunity again in the city to do another wall with a similar team.
There's so many things that happen behind the scenes, and it's just amazing that no one dropped the ball along the way, and people went the extra mile on many occasions. Especially guys like Eyecom, we had to stand here on cherry pickers almost every day for weeks, putting this fantastic product together.
So we're very excited, being the largest television screen in Cape Town. So yes, it's a great moment for us. We thank the team, and let's wait. In a couple of days' time, we will energize it, and then we'll have a toast on it.
It's an amazing experience to stand here and deliver this project, and we look forward to many more of these, and we're ready to support this.
Naspers will be 100 years old. I think it's the 25th of July, a couple of weeks' time. And part of their Saturnian function is going to be the unveiling of the screen. We're going to be here to have a glass of champagne and toast to this incredible achievement. So I think that for me is going to be a wonderful occasion to be part of in the City of Cape Town.